Over.
Alright. Right, it's Bonfire Night and we have got the whole works. Fireworks, that is. That was so cheap.
The moon. Buzz Aldrin walking on me face.
Shake it once, that's fine.
Shake it twice, that's okay. Shake it 3 times and you'll Do you see anything?
Not really.
No.
Call me George.
No!
Yes!
Wagon wheel. Oh, no, sorry.
It's not
Yeah,
a wagon.
my lights on as well.
Yeah.
Woo!
I think we're pretty close.
Oh well.
Move it back. Whoa! How did you on 50?
Oh shit!
So who's gonna go pick that up?
Rockets!
Yeah, come on, rockets.
Aim one.
Yeah, aim.
Light it and throw away.
Not
Right?
that way.
Over the houses. Can you imagine this blew up? Just didn't fly.
Will you shut the fuck up?
Oh well.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Better take off.
Whoa! Woo! Another one.
Watch where the stick just lands on one of us now. He's like,
That's what I say, watch for the comeback.
Ah.
he's watching for the comeback. Oh my god, you fucking tilted it, you dick!
That's pathetic.
Do you want to go with that one? Yeah, 2 right. Oh man, this is awesome.
What?
We'll set off 2. I can't fucking like this one.
You aiming it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. He's like, oh, you aiming it?
We'll race him down.
Ah! Hey man! Fire! Puh. Run! Heave-ho!
Run! What? That's just going to shoot across.
I know, that's what I'm aiming for.
Oh, that's pretty.
That was cool.
Got a bit lower now.
Oh, should we just set one on the floor and light it?
I don't know, that's
Actually, that's a
alright.
good idea. No,
It's not gonna fucking go, it's not gonna come back, is it? I'll just put it a bit lower. That is awesome. Go. Ah! I'm going to hit further back.
Hey, it took off.
Oh, that was good. Lower. Can we?
just set one up.
Yeah, go on. Across the path. See that little path there?
It won't work.
Why?
It needs to be in the tube so it can lift.
Oh yeah.
Put the tube just like a lower angle. Did it?
Look how low that is.
Ready?
Look at both of them.
Wait, not yet, not yet.
Oh shit.
Oh, nice.
You gotta go it.
I'm going back over here. Oh shit.
Big rockets.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Oh, we got to put them across the floor.
No, we're not putting them.
Damn you. You dick.
Oh, that one went quick.
What are you doing?
It doesn't need a thick tube.
Oh, there? Well, that's
Oh shit! Ah! Oh my god!
It's coming back for you. You set off tube.
Yeah.
It doesn't work, I don't know if it's...
Oh, cross them!
We're there.
They're gonna fucking...
Fucking hell, they go quick.
Oh, Dan, you...
Get up!
Oh, shit! It's going for you, Dan. Explode.
We got one more. Let's see if we throw it. Use light and check it over there.
It won't work, it won't go anywhere, it needs force.
Yeah, but it'll blow up in the middle of the field.
Oh yeah.
Do you want to throw it?
No, wait there, you just...
No, not really.
I know, you could do. Just place it somewhere. Oh, yeah, you would chuck it.
No, I'm not doing that. That'd be silly. Oh, fuck off, bro. Alright, let's set it over. What? That's so low.
Fuck.
That was cool.
Awesome! Sparklers!
Oh, what? They all fell out in the bag, I think. Oh, this box was fucking empty. Oh, there they are. Hey, you want to see what I can
bastard.
do, right?
Ah, my hand!
I'll do. I got lots of them. Whee! I'm a little fairy flower growing strong for you.
What the fuck is that?
I can oh, check me that. What's my Jamaican dance? Or my fucking Hawaiian dance?
Okay.
Be like,
What do you do, Ross?
wait! Ow, I touched the hot bit. Oh, that one. No.
Let's get loads and just give it
Are
the
you ready?
one. It's the ground on fire.
Ross!
How the fuck do you get up there? It's Christmas! It's a tree! Christmas tree. Oh fuck, it went out.
Twinkle,
That was a wicked shot.
And lightable sparklers. There you go, I've got it.
We need one of those windbreakers you get on the beach.
That's a pretty long fag, Dan.
Nipple's gonna be sparkling now.
Sparkly, sparkle.
Wait.
Let's sparkle down his ass.
See, fuck all, it's like that, can you? Stuff.
They know it's fun when they're not lit, are they?
No, not really.
No, obviously not.
It's like-
Okay,
Just like sticks. Like...
film me! Oh, it's now it's fun. Oh my god!
Oh, quick. Oh my god, that sucks.
Shit!
Fuck off, we're dealing sparklers. Fuck
Look
cloud.
at that, look at that.
Wait, go back, go back. What the fuck?
Oh. Where's the gun? Oh.